So, in this one, we are basically discussing the things from here itself. So, अब हमें पढ़ना है दैट इज इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल इंडिकेट बिकॉज हमने लास्ट जो है हमने वहां तक पढ़ लिया था कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अबाउट और फर्दर हमें डिस्कस करना था अबाउट द थिंग वो यहाँ से डिस्कस करना था The information available indicate that the personal financial situation of management in those charged with governance is created by the entity's financial performance arising from the following. कैसे पता चलेगा हमें सिग्निफिकेंट फाइनेंशियल इंटरेस्ट इन द एंटिटी, तो सिग्निफिकेंट फाइनेंशियल इंटरेस्ट हो एंटिटी में या फिर सिग्निफिकेंट पोर्शन ऑफ देयर कंपनसेशन जैसे कि बोनस, स्टॉक ऑप्शंस एंड अर्न आउट अरेंजमेंट बीइंग कंटीजेंट अपॉन अचीविंग एग्रेसिव टारगेट्स फॉर स्टॉक प्राइस, ऑपरेटिंग रिजल्ट्स, फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन, कैश फ्लोज, पर्सनल गारंटी ऑफ डेब्ट और डेट ऑफ द एंटिटी, पर्सनल गारंटी हो डेट हो ऑफ द एंटिटी, या फिर देयर इज एक्सेसिव प्रेशर ऑन मैनेजमेंट और ऑपरेटिंग पर्सोनल, बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर हो मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑपरेटिंग पर्सोनल टू मीट द फाइनेंशियल टारगेट व्हिच इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय दोस चार्ज विद गवर्नेंस इंक्लूडिंग सेल्स एंड प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी और इंसेंटिव गोल्स. उसके बाद आता है हमारा अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो अपॉर्चुनिटी में हम क्या बात करते हैं द नेचर ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री और द एंटिटीज ऑपरेशन प्रोवाइड्स अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एंगेज इन अ फ्रॉडुलेंट फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग दैट कैन अराइज फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. अपॉर्चुनिटीज में क्या आता है जो नेचर है इंडस्ट्री का और जो एंटिटी ऑपरेशंस बताती है वो प्रोवाइड करती है अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एंगेज इनकी कैसे एंगेज हो इन अ फ्रॉडुलेंट फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग जो कि अराइज हो सकती है फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. हो सकता है दैट मे बी दिस सिग्निफिकेंट. क्या हो सकता है सिग्निफिकेंट रिलेटेड पार्टी ट्रांजैक्शन हो. अपॉर्चुनिटीज में क्या है द नेचर ऑफ इंडस्ट्री और एंटिटी ऑपरेशन प्रोवाइड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एंगेज इन फ्रॉडुलेंट फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग जो कि अराइज हो सकती है फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. सिग्निफिकेंट रिलेटेड पार्टी ट्रांजैक्शन जो कि नॉट इन द ऑर्डिनरी कोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस और विद रिलेटेड एंटिटीज नॉट ऑडिटेड और ऑडिटेड बाय अनदर फर्म. स्ट्रांग फाइनेंशियल प्रेजेंस हो या फिर एबिलिटी हो टू डोमिनेट अ सर्टेन इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर दैट अलाउज द एंटिटी टू डिक्टेट टर्म्स और कंडीशन टू सप्लायर्स और कस्टमर दैट मे रिजल्ट इन इनएप्रोप्रिएट और नॉन आर्म लेंथ ट्रांजैक्शन. उसके बाद assets, liability, revenue or expenses based on significant estimate that involve subjective judgment or uncertainties that are difficult to corroborate. Assets, liability, revenue और expenses जो कि based हो significant estimate जो कि involve करते हो subjective judgment और uncertainty जो कि difficult हो to corroborate. Significant unusual और highly complex transactions, especially those close to the period end, pose a difficult substance over form questions. Significant operation located or conducted across international borders in a jurisdiction where differing business environment and cultural exist. Use of business intermediaries for which there appears to be no clear business justification. Significant bank accounts or subsidiary or branch operation in a tax haven jurisdiction for which there appears to be no clear business justification. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटीज में क्या रिलेटेड पार्टी ट्रांजैक्शन हो, स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइनेंशियल प्रेजेंस हो, जजमेंट अनसर्टेनिटीज हो, सेल्स एंड लीज बैक हो, व्हेन इज कंपनी सेल्स एन एसेट टू अनदर पार्टी बट कंटिन्यू टू यूज इट बाय लीजिंग इट बैक. सब्सटेंस ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन इज शैल द कंपनी इज एसेंशियली ऑब्टेनिंग फाइनेंसिंग ऑफ एसेट्स रादर देन सेल्स. हम क्या बोलते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटीज में क्या चीजें आएगी, अपॉर्चुनिटीज में क्या क्या चीजें कवर हो जाएगी अपॉर्चुनिटीज के अंदर. तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज में क्या-क्या चीजें कवर होगी बेसिकली द नेचर ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री और जो एंटिटी ऑपरेशन है वो प्रोवाइड करती है अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एंगेज इन फ्रॉडुलेंट फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग जो कि राइज हो सकती है सिग्निफिकेंट रिलेटेड पार्टी ट्रांजैक्शन व्हिच इज नॉट इन ऑर्डिनरी कोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस और विद रिलेटेड एंटिटीज नॉट ऑडिटेड एंड ऑडिटेड बाय अनदर फर्म. Strong financial presence or ability to dominate a certain industry sector that allow the entity to dictate terms or conditions to suppliers or customers that may result in inappropriate and known arm length transaction. Asset liability revenue expense based on significant estimate that involves subjective judgment and uncertainties that are difficult to corroborate. Significant unusual or highly complex transactions, especially those close to the period and that pose difficult substance over form question. Significant operations जो कि located or conducted across international border in jurisdiction where different business environment and culture exist. Use of business intermediaries for which there appears to be no clear business justification. Significant bank accounts or subsidiary or branch operation हो सकते हैं in the tax haven jurisdiction which there appears to be no clear business justification. The monitoring of management is not effective as a result of the following. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं कि जो मॉनिटरिंग होगी ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट, हम क्या बोलते हैं कि जो monitoring होगी of the management is not effective as a result of the following. Domination of management by single person or small group in a non-owner managed business without compensating control. Oversight हो जाए by those charged with governance over the financial reporting process and internal control is not effective. There is a complex or unstable organizational structure हो which may be evidenced by the following. डिफिकल्टी हो सकती है इन डिटरमाइनिंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और इंडिविजुअल दैट हैव कंट्रोलिंग इंटरेस्ट इन द एंटिटी. डिफिकल्टी हो सकती है हम क्या बोलते हैं दैट मे बी द डिफिकल्टी इन डिटरमाइनिंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और इंडिविजुअल दैट हैव कंट्रोलिंग इंटरेस्ट इन द एंटिटी. Overly complex organizational structure that involve unusual legal entity or ministerial lines of authority. High turnover of senior management, legal counsel and those charged with governance. Internal control component are deficient हो सकते हैं as a result of the following. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं कि internal control components are deficient हो सकते हैं as a result of the following. Inadequate monitoring हो सकती है control including automated control and control over interim financial reporting where external reporting is required. High turnover rates or employment of accounting, internal audit and information technology staff that are not effective. Accounting and information system that are not effective including situations involving significant deficiency हो सकती है in the internal control. Internal control components are deficient हो सकते हैं as a result of the following. Inadequate monitoring हो सकती है control including automated control and control over interim financial reporting. High turnover rates or employment of accounting, internal audit and information technology staff that are not effective. Accounting and information system that are not effective including situations involving deficiency in internal control. उसके बाद हम बोलते हैं attitude and rationalization. Communication, implementation, support or enforcement of entities value or ethical standard by management or the communication of inappropriate values or ethical standard that are not effective. Inappropriate values or ethical standard. Known financial management's excessive participation or in preoccupation with the selection of accounting policy or determination of significant estimate. Known history हो सकती है of violation of ये attitude and rationalization. Known history of violation of securities laws and other laws and regulation and claims against the entity. It's a senior management in those charged with governance, alleging fraud and violation of laws and regulation. Excessive interest by management in maintaining or increasing the entity's stock price or earning chain. Practice by management of committing to analyze the creditors and other third party to achieve aggressive and realistic forecast. Management fail हो जाता है to remedy known significant deficiency in internal control on a timely basis. And interest by management in employing inappropriate means to minimize the reported earnings for tax motivated reasons. Low morale हो among the senior management. If there is what? Low morale ho among the senior management. The owner manager makes no distinction between personal and business transaction. Dispute ho between the shareholder and a closely held entity. Recurring attempts ho by management to justify marginal or inappropriate accounting on the basis of materiality. The relationship between management and the current or predecessor auditor is strained as exhibited by the following. Frequent dispute हो जाए अगर frequent dispute हो जाए with the current or predecessor auditor on accounting, auditing and reporting matters. हम क्या बोलते हैं, the relationship between management and current or predecessor auditor is strained as exhibited by following. Relationship अच्छा नहीं हो, current और predecessor auditor is strained as exhibited. Frequent dispute हो जाते हैं current और predecessor auditor on accounting, auditing and reporting matters पे. Unreasonable demands on the auditor such as जैसे कि unrealistic time constraint regarding the इतने टाइम का audit complete करो और issuance of the auditor's report. Restriction on the auditors that inappropriately limit access to people and information and ability to communicate effectively with those charged with governance. Dominating management behavior in dealing with the auditor, especially involving attempts to influence the scope of the auditor's work or selection or continuance of a personnel assigned to or consultant on the audit engagement. उसके बाद आता है हमारा risk factors relating to misstatement arising from misappropriation of assets. कौन से ऐसे रिस्क फैक्टर्स है रिलेटिंग टू मिस स्टेटमेंट जो कि अराइज होते हैं फ्रॉम मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ असेट. फॉलोइंग आर एग्जांपल ऑफ रिस्क फैक्टर दैट इज रिलेटिंग टू मिस स्टेटमेंट अराइजिंग फ्रॉम मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ असेट, जैसे कि इंसेंटिव एंड प्रेशर. Personal financial obligation may create pressure on management and employees with access to cash and other assets susceptible to theft to misappropriate those assets. Adverse relationship between the entity and employees with access to cash and other assets susceptible to theft may motivate those employed to misappropriate those assets. For example, adverse relationship may be created by following: known or anticipated future employee layoff or recent or anticipated changes to employee compensation or benefit plan, promotion, compensation and other reward to inconsistent हो with the expectation. Then opportunities में क्या है, certain characteristics or circumstances may increase the susceptibility of assets to misappropriation. For example, opportunity to misappropriate asset increase when there are the following: large amount of cash on hand, inventory item that are small in size, of high value and are high in demand, easily convertible assets such as bearer bonds, diamonds or computer chips, fixed assets which are small in size, marketable and lacking observable identification of ownership. अब हम बात करते हैं रिलेटिंग टू अगर इनएडिक्वेट इंटरनल कंट्रोल हो ओवर एसेट में इंक्रीज कर सकता है द ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ दोस एसेट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ असेट में अकर बिकॉज़ देयर इज द फॉलोइंग: इनएग्रीगेट हो सकता है, इनएग्रीगेट सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ ड्यूटीज और इंडिपेंडेंट टैक्स. इनएडिक्वेट इंटरनल कंट्रोल ओवर एसेट में इंक्रीज द ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ दोस एसेट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ असेट अगर हो सकता है बिकॉज़ देयर मे बी द फॉलोइंग: इनएडिक्वेट सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ ड्यूटी और इनएडिक्वेट चेक हो सकता है, इनएडिक्वेट ओवरसाइट हो सकता है ऑफ सीनियर मैनेजमेंट. क्या सो इसमें हम पढ़ रहे थे अगर हमारा इनएडिक्वेट इंटरनल कंट्रोल हो जाता है ओवर एसेट्स में इंक्रीज कर सकता है द ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ दोस एसेट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ असेट में अगर बिकॉज़ देयर इज द फॉलोइंग: मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ असेट्स क्यों हो सकता है बिकॉज़ हो सकता है कि इनएडिक्वेट मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ असेट्स हो सकता है बिकॉज़ देयर मे बी द इनएडिक्वेट सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ ड्यूटीज और इंडिपेंडेंट चेक्स. हो सकता है कि क्यों हो सकता है मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ असेट्स क्योंकि हो सकता है इनएडिक्वेट सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ ड्यूटीज हो या फिर इंडिपेंडेंट चेक्स हो. inadequate oversight हो of senior management expenditures such as travel and other reimbursement. inadequate oversight of senior management के expenditures पे inadequate oversight नहीं मतलब पर्याप्त तरीके से आपने उसे देखा नहीं है जैसे कि travel and other reimbursement. inadequate management oversight of employees to be responsible for assets such as inadequate supervision and monitoring of remote location. inadequate job applicant screening of employees with access to assets. हो सकता है inadequate record keeping हो with respect to assets. Inadequate system of authorization and approval of transactions, for example, in purchasing. Inadequate physical safeguard over cash investment, inventory, or fixed assets. Lack of complete and timely reconciliation of assets. हो सकता है there may be the lack of complete and timely reconciliation of assets, reconcile ना हो पा रहे हो. Lack of timely and appropriate documentation of transaction, for example, credit or merchandise return. Lack of mandatory vacation for employees performing the key control को vacations नहीं दे रहे हो आप. Inadequate management and understanding of information technology, which enable information technology employees to perpetrate misappropriation. Inadequate access control over automated records, including control over and review of computer system event logs. उसके बाद हम बोलते हैं एटीट्यूड एंड रैशनलाइजेशन. एटीट्यूड एंड रैशनलाइजेशन बात करता है डिसरिगार्ड फॉर द नीड फॉर मॉनिटरिंग एंड रिड्यूसिंग रिस्क रिलेटेड टू मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ एसेट्स. डिसरिगार्ड हो रहा है फॉर इंटरनल कंट्रोल ओवर मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ एसेट्स बाय ओवरराइडिंग existing control or by failing to take appropriate remedial actions or known deficiency in internal control. Behavior indicating displeasure बता रहा है कि displeasure है, dissatisfaction है entity और उसके treatment of employee के साथ. Changes in behavior of lifestyle, हम क्या बोलते हैं कि अचानक से चेंज हो गया लाइफस्टाइल, में इंडिकेटेड assets are misappropriate. Tolerance of petty theft, छोटी छोटी चोरियों को हम टॉलरेट करे हो. जैसे कि वाई इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ फ्रॉड रिस्क फैक्टर बाय ऑडिटर इज नेसेसरी. क्यों? तो इवैल्यूएशन है फ्रॉड रिस्क फैक्टर का बाय ऑडिटर के द्वारा जरूरी है. तो ऑडिटर शैल इवैल्यूएट, ऑडिटर जो है वो इवैल्यूएट करने की कोशिश करेगा कि एक या एक से ज्यादा रिस्क फैक्टर प्रेजेंट है. जो फ्रॉड रिस्क फैक्टर होते हैं मे नॉट नेसेसरली इंडिकेट द एक्जिस्टेंस ऑफ फ्रॉड, दे मे हैव ऑफन प्रेजेंट इन द सर्कमस्टेंसेस वेयर फ्रॉड हैव अकर्ड एंड देन इंडिकेट रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट ड्यू टू फ्रॉड. The fact that fraud is usually concealed can make it very difficult to detect. Nevertheless, the auditor may identify fraud risk factors. Fraud risk factor cannot easily be ranked in order of importance. The significance of fraud risk factor varies widely. Some of these factors will be present in entities where the specific conditions do not present risk of material misstatement. Accordingly, the determination of whether a fraud risk factor is present and whether it is to be considered in assessing the risk of material misstatement of the financial statement due to fraud requires exercise of professional judgment. अब हमें क्या करना है, मेंटेन करना है प्रोफेशनल स्कैप्टिज्म. मेंटेनिंग प्रोफेशनल स्कैप्टिज्म क्या है? द ऑडिटर शैल मेंटेन करेगा प्रोफेशनल स्कैप्टिज्म थ्रू आउट द ऑडिट, रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा पॉसिबिलिटी दैट मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट ड्यू टू फ्रॉड कुड एग्जिस्ट कर सकती है, notwithstanding the auditor's past experience of the honesty and integrity of entities management and those charged with governance. Unless auditor has reason to believe the contrary, the auditor makes apt records and document as genuine. If condition identified during the audit causes the auditor to believe that the document may not be authentic or that terms in the document have been modified but not disclosed to the auditor shall investigate it further. When response to inquiry of a management or those charged with governance are inconsistent, the auditor जो है वो investigate करेगा the inconsistency. उसके बाद हम बात करते हैं डिस्कशन अमंग द एंगेजमेंट टीम. जो भी डिस्कशन किया जाएगा अमंग द एंगेजमेंट टीम शैल प्लेस पर्टिकुलर एम्फेसिस ऑन हाउ एंड वेयर द एंटिटीज फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट मे बी susceptible to material misstatement due to fraud, including how fraud might occur. The discussion shall occur notwithstanding the engagement team members beliefs that management and those charged with governance are honest and have integrity. Risk assessment procedures and related activities by geared towards obtaining information for use in identifying the risk of material misstatement due to fraud. जब कभी भी हम परफॉर्म करेंगे रिस्क असेसमेंट प्रोसीजर्स और रिलेटेड एक्टिविटी ताकि हम ऑब्टेन कर पाए अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ एंटिटी एंड इट्स एनवायरनमेंट इंक्लूडिंग द एंटिटीज इंटरनल कंट्रोल, ऑडिटर जो है परफॉर्म करेगा प्रोसीजर्स टू ऑब्टेन information for use in identifying the risk of material misstatement due to fraud, like inquiries of a management and others within the entity. Obtain करेंगे अंडरस्टैंडिंग is how those charged with governance exercise oversight of management process for identifying and responding to the risk of fraud in the entities and the internal control that management has established. To mitigate this risk, an evaluation of unexpected relationship identified in performing analytical procedures which may indicate risk of material misstatement due to fraud. Besides, as discussed already, the auditor shall evaluate whether the information obtained from the risk assessment procedures and related activity performed indicate that one and more fraud risk factor presented. फिर उसके बाद हम बोल रहे हैं कि रिस्पॉन्सेज टू असेस रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट ड्यू टू फ्रॉड एट द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट लेवल. जब हम डिटरमाइन करेंगे ओवरऑल रिस्पॉन्स टू एड्रेस द असेस रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट ड्यू टू फ्रॉड एट द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट लेवल, ऑडिटर असेस करेगा, ऑडिटर क्या करेगा, असाइन एंड सुपरवाइज द पर्सनल टेकिंग अकाउंट ऑफ नॉलेज, स्किल एंड एबिलिटी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल टू बी सिग्निफिकेंट एंगेजमेंट रिस्पांसिबिलिटी एंड ऑडिटर असेसमेंट ऑफ रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट ड्यू टू फ्रॉड फॉर द एंगेजमेंट. इवैल्यूएट करेंगे हम क्या जो सिलेक्शन एंड एप्लीकेशन अकाउंटिंग पॉलिसीज बाय द एंटिटी पर्टिकुलरली दोस रिलेटेड टू सब्जेक्ट टू मेजरमेंट एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स ट्रांजैक्शन में बी इंडिकेटिव ऑफ फ्रॉडुलेंट फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम मैनेजमेंट एफर्ट्स टू मैनेज अर्निंग्स. इनकॉर्पोरेट एन एलिमेंट ऑफ अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी इन द सिलेक्शन ऑफ नेचर, टाइमिंग एंड एक्सटेंट ऑफ ऑडिट प्रोसीजर्स. उसके बाद आएगा हमारा देन आएगा हमारा ऑडिट प्रोसीजर्स रिस्पॉन्सिव टू असेस रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट ड्यू टू फ्रॉड एट द असर्शन लेवल. ऑडिटर जो है वो डिजाइन करता है, परफॉर्म करता है फर्दर ऑडिट प्रोसीजर जिसका नेचर, टाइमिंग, एक्सटेंट आर रिस्पॉन्सिव टू असेस द रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट ड्यू टू फ्रॉड एट द असर्शन लेवल. In doing so, the auditor may change nature, timing, and extent of audit procedure to obtain audit evidence that is more reliable and relevant, and to obtain additional corroborative information. For example, अगर auditor identify करता है that management is under pressure to meet earning expectation, there may be related risk that management is inflating sales by entering into sales agreement that include terms that preclude revenue recognition or by invoicing sales before delivery. In these circumstances, the auditor may, for example, design external confirmation not only to confirm outstanding amount but also to confirm the details of a sales agreement, including date, any right of written and delivery terms. In addition, the auditor might find it effective to supplement such external confirmation with inquiries and known financial personnel in the entities regarding any change in the sales agreement and delivery terms. Then हमारा आता है कि audit procedure responsive to risk related to management override of control. ऑडिट हम क्या बोल रहे हैं कि जो हमारा ऑडिट प्रोसीजर्स है दैट इज रिस्पॉन्स टू रिस्क रिलेटेड टू मैनेजमेंट ओवरराइड ऑफ कंट्रोल. मैनेजमेंट हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि मैनेजमेंट जो है इज इन अ यूनिक पोजीशन टू परपेट्रेट फ्रॉड बिकॉज ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एबिलिटी टू मैनिपुलेट अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्ड्स एंड प्रिपेयर फ्रॉडुलेंट फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट बाय ओवरराइडिंग कंट्रोल्स दैट अदरवाइज अपीयर टू बी ऑपरेटिंग इफेक्टिवली. जो रिस्क है इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल द एंटिटीज ड्यू टू द अनप्रेडिक्टेबल वे इन व्हिच इट्स ओवरराइड कुड अकर. इट इज अ रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट ड्यू टू फ्रॉड एंड thus a significant risk. Irrespective of auditor's assessment of risk of management override of control, the auditor shall design and perform audit procedures to test the appropriateness of a journal entries which is recorded in the journal ledgers and adjustment made in the preparation of financial statement. Review करेगा accounting estimate for biases and evaluate whether the circumstances producing the bias, if any, present a risk of material misstatement due to fraud. For significant transactions that are outside the normal course of business for the entity or that otherwise appear to be unusual given the auditor's understanding of the entity and its environment and other information obtained during the audit, the auditor shall evaluate whether the business rationale or hack thereof or the transaction suggests that they may have been entered into engage in fraudulent financial reporting or conceal misappropriation of asset. The auditor have or determine करेगा whether in order to respond to the identified risk of management override of control, the auditor need to perform other audit procedures in addition to those specifically referred to above. फिर evaluation होगा of audit evidence. फिर क्या होगा? There will be the evaluation of audit evidence. Evaluation होगा of audit evidence. जो auditor है वो evaluate करेगा क्या analytical procedures है perform किया जा रहा है when forming an overall conclusion as to whether the financial statement as a whole are consistent with the auditor's understanding of entity and its environment, indicate a previously unrecognized risk of material misstatement due to fraud. When the auditor identifies a misstatement, the auditor shall evaluate whether such a misstatement is indicative of fraud. If there is such an indication, the auditor shall evaluate the implication of misstatement in relation to other aspect of audit, particularly the reliability of management representation to recognize that instance of fraud is unlikely to be isolated occurrence. If the auditor identify कि जो misstatement है material or not, auditor के पास reason है to believe that it is or may be the result of fraud and that management in particular senior management is involved, the auditor जो है वो reevaluate करेगा the assessment of risk of material misstatement due to fraud and its resulting impact on the nature, timing and extent of audit procedures to respond to those assessed risk. Auditor shall also consider whether these circumstances or condition indicate possible collusion involving employees, management and third party when considering the reliability of evidence previously obtained. When auditor confirm that it is unable to conclude whether the financial statement are materially misstated as a result of fraud, the auditor जो है वो evaluate करेगा the implication for the audit. Now we are discussing 2.13 circumstances in which auditor is unable to continue the engagement. हो सकता है there may be the cases जहां auditor जो है unable हो रहा है to continue the engagement, को continue नहीं कर पा रहा है. If as a result of misstatement resulting from fraud and suspected fraud, the auditor encounters exceptional circumstances that brings into question the auditor's ability to continue performing the audit. तो जो auditor है वो क्या करेगा? Auditor is unable to continue the engagement. हो सकता है auditor continue नहीं कर पा रहा हो engagement. तो determine करेगा कौन सा professional legal responsibility है applicable in the circumstances including whether there is a requirement for the auditor to report to the person who made the audit, appointment or in some cases regulatory authority. वो consider करेगा whether it is appropriate to withdraw from the engagement where withdrawal from the engagement is legally permitted, or if the auditor withdraw, discuss किया जाएगा with appropriate level of management in those charged with governance, the auditor's withdrawal from the engagement and the reason for the withdrawal, determine whether there is a professional and legal requirement to report to the person who made the audit appointment, or in some cases to regulatory authority. जो भी auditor का withdrawal होगा from the engagement and the reason for the withdrawal क्या है. फिर हम बात कर रहे हैं that is the management representation. Auditor जो है वो obtain करेगा written representation WR लेगा 580 वाला from management where applicable in those charged with governance that they acknowledge कि वो acknowledge कर रहे हैं the responsibility for the design, implementation and maintenance of internal control to prevent and detect fraud. They have disclosed to the auditor कि result क्या होगा management assessment of risk that the financial statement may be materially misstated as a result of fraud. They have disclosed to the auditor their knowledge of fraud and suspected fraud that affecting the entities involving management employee who have significant roles in internal control or others where the fraud could have a material effect on the financial statement. They have disclosed to the auditor their knowledge of any allegation of fraud and suspected fraud that affecting the entities of financial statement communicated by the employees, former employees, analysts, regulators or others. उसके बाद communicate किया जाएगा to management and those charged with governance. If the auditor has identified a fraud and has obtained information that indicate that the fraud may exist, the auditor shall communicate this matter on a timely basis to the appropriate level of management in order to inform those with the primary responsibility for the prevention and detection of fraud of matter relevant to their responsibility, unless all those charged with governance are involved. Unless all those charged with governance are involved in managing the entity, if the auditor has identified or suspect fraud involving management employee who have significant roles in internal control or others, where the fraud results in a material misstatement in the financial statement, the auditor shall communicate this matter to those charged with governance on a timely basis. If the auditor suspect fraud involving management, the auditor shall communicate their suspicions to those charged with governance and discuss with them the nature, timing, and extent of audit procedure necessary to complete the audit. The auditor shall communicate with those charged with governance any other matter that is related to fraud that are in the auditor's judgment relevant to their responsibility. फिर क्या होगा? Then there will be the communication to regulatory and enforcement authority. There will be what? There will be the communication to regulatory and enforcement authority. If the auditor has identified or suspect of fraud, the auditor shall determine whether there is a responsibility to report the occurrence or suspicion to a party outside the entity. Although auditor professional duty to maintain the confidentiality of client information may preclude such reporting, the auditor's legal responsibility may override the duty of confidentiality in some circumstances. For example, in case of audit of bank, the auditor has a statutory duty to report to the occurrence of the fraud to the supervisory authority, that is RBI. Also, in some entities, the auditor may have a duty to report misstatement to authority in those cases where management and those charged with governance fails to take corrective action. In some clients, requirement for reporting fraud, whether or not discovered through the audit process, may be subject to specific provisions of audit mandate and related legislation or regulation. फिर आता है हमारा documentation. The auditor's documentation of understanding of the entity and its environment and assessment of risk of material misstatement required shall include जो भी significant decision reach होंगे during the discussion among the engagement team regarding the susceptibility of entities of financial statement to material misstatement due to fraud, and जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं कि identified है assessed risk क्या है material misstatement due to fraud at the financial statement level and the assertion level. The auditor have a documentation of the responses to assess risk of material misstatement required shall include overall response क्या है to the assessed risk of material misstatement due to fraud at the financial statement level, The nature, timing, extent of audit procedures and the linkage of those procedures with the assessed risk of material misstatement due to fraud at the session level. Result क्या होगा? The audit procedures including those designed to address the risk of management override the control. Auditor shall document करेगा communication about fraud made to management and those charged with governance, regulators and other. When the auditor has concluded that the presumption that the risk is a risk of material misstatement due to fraud related to revenue recognition is not applicable and the circumstances of the engagement, the auditor shall document the reason for that conclusion. उसके बाद हमारा टेस्ट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आता है, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आता है और उसके साथ हमारा जो एस 240 है जो रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ ऑडिटर इन मतलब रिलेटिंग टू फ्रॉड खत्म हो जाएगा. तो हम ये साइड बाय साइड मतलब ऑल टुगेदर विद दिस पढ़ ही लेते हैं इसको. तो अब हम टेस्ट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 डिस्कस करें. मिस्टर डेकोर लिमिटेड प्रेजेंटली एंगेज है इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ फैब्रिक्स, वांट्स टू सेट अप अ न्यू प्लांट लगाना चाहते हैं, ऑलरेडी एंगेज है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, वो न्यू प्लांट लगाना चाहते हैं मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ फैब्रिक प्रोवाइडिंग एन ऑलटुगेदर डिफरेंट टेक्सचर एंड फील. This kind of fabric has become a hit with retail customer. The company needs to set up a plant for manufacturing the above kind of fabric involving huge capital outlays to stay competitive in the market. You are auditor of a company and find that the company revenue has increased in the financial year 2022-23 to 1,000 crore from 750 crore in the last year. By the time you started the audit, there was no change in the plant capacity and information regarding need to set up a new plant has become now known to you. Inquiry of a company's personnel. Discuss how you should proceed to deal with above situation as auditor of a company, paying special attention to risk of material misstatement due to the fraudulent financial reporting. जो ये हमारी गिवन सिचुएशन है, जो गिवन सिचुएशन है वो हाईलाइट करी है किन चीजों को. गिवन सिचुएशन हाईलाइट करी द नीड फॉर अ कंपनी टू सेट अप अ न्यू प्लांट फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग of special kind of fabric to stay competitive in the market. Setting up such a plant involves huge capital outlays, which could entail financing arrangement. Therefore, excessive pressure exists for management to be involved in fraudulent financial reporting. In such a situation, management may be tempted to inflate its revenue to show rosy pictures. It is a fraud risk factor that needs to be evaluated by the auditor. The revenue of a company have jumped from 750 crore से 1000 करोड़ तक पहुंच जाता है suddenly without any change. कोई change नहीं हुआ है प्लान कैपेसिटी वगैरह में, बट 750 करोड़ से 1000 करोड़ पहुंच चुका है. The auditor may consider above said fraud risk factor for assessing risk of material misstatement due to fraud. In case of auditors assessing risk of material misstatement due to fraud, fraudulent financial reporting audit procedures to address such a risk like performing substantive analytical procedures relating to revenue, use of computer assisted audit techniques to identify unusual revenue transaction and testing control pertaining to revenue transaction need to be performed. होप सो आपको समझ आएगा. अब हम डिस्कस करें टेस्ट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग का ही क्वेश्चन नंबर. तो टेस्ट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. CA Ridhima, एक internal audit है of Track Store Limited, has pointed out following deficiency निकाल रही है internal control of the company in her reports. Receivable are not reconciled at stipulated intervals में उसे reconcile नहीं हुआ है. Customer are provided a credit limit based upon their track record. However, no review of customer credit limit is undertaken at a required interval. The statutory auditor of a company find that no action has been taken by the company on such a deficiency pointed out in the reports of internal auditor. What does above situation allude to statutory auditor of a company? Internal auditor बता रही है ये कमियां है बट कुछ उसमें कोई इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं किया गया है, तो अब statutory auditor की क्या रिस्पांसिबिलिटी बन जाएगी उस केस में. As required, management failing to management failing to remedy known significant deficiency in internal control on a timely basis is a fraud risk factor for misstatement arising from fraudulent financial reporting. When management does not correct significant deficiency in internal control on a timely basis, वो reflect करती है attitude, character और ethical values that allow them knowingly and intentionally to commit a dishonest act. Failure to rectify the known control deficiency which is pertaining to reconciliation of receivable or review of customer credit limit has a potential to fraud. Lack of timely reconciliation of receivable may lead to intentional misstatement. Further, non-reviewing customer limit may lead to grant of credit beyond the creditworthiness of customer. It may result in intentional tying up of a company's funds with a risky customer due to collusion. The above situation is a fraud risk factor for fraudulent financial reporting के लिए. उसके बाद